In the misty hills of northeast India, a historic moment has unfolded on steel tracks. Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi has inaugurated the much-awaited Bairabi-Sairang railway line, finally bringing Mizoram's capital, Aizawl, closer to India's railway map.
For a state where train travel was once limited, the arrival of this line marks the beginning of a new era. Built at a cost of 8,070 crores or approximately $920 million, the project is being celebrated not just as transport link, but as a symbol of progress and connectivity. The line is nothing short of a modern wonder, an engineering marvel with 45 tunnels stretching nearly 13 kilometers. The railway line has 55 major bridges and 88 minor bridges. One bridge stands at 114 meters, taller than Delhi's Qutub Minar by 42 meters. Also, 5 road overbridges and 6 underpasses complete the network. The first trains flagged off include the Sairang Delhi Rajdhani Express, Sairang Guwahati Express and Sairang Kolkata Express, which directly link Mizoram to the nation's major cities. For locals, the benefits are immense. A journey from Silchar to Aizawl, which once cost up to 1,000 rupees or around $11 by road, can now be completed by train for under 80 rupees or less than $1. Meet Priyanka Singh and her daughters, who have been travelling across India for years before settling down in the capital city of New Delhi. Interestingly, from 2007 to 2009, the family had a brief stay in Mizoram, a period when this Northeast Railway project was sanctioned.
I am planning to take my children to Mizoram by train because आजकल लोग train journey करते नहीं हैं, but it is exciting.
Yeah, it'll be very interesting to see because while we were there, we only used to take flights. We always used to hear about this project coming up, and now that it has finally come into action, it actually feels really good.
In Aizawl, travellers can explore the mystical Raik Tlang, explore caves, rivers and waterfalls, or try cycling adventures. Nearby, the Aizawl Golf Course offers year-round play, and Wantwong Falls, Mizoram's highest, tumbles 229 meters in stunning beauty. The Bairabi-Sairang line is part of a broader railway renaissance sweeping across the northeast. Since 2014, allocations for railway projects in the region have increased fivefold. Looking beyond Mizoram, several major railway projects are reshaping connectivity across the northeast. In Sikkim, the Sivok Rangpo project spanning 44.9 kilometers is due for completion in 2027. In Arunachal Pradesh, the Murkong Select Pasighat line is under construction with phases set for 2025 and 2026. Manipur's 110.6 kilometers Jiribam Imphal line is being gradually commissioned, bringing railway services to the state capital. Meanwhile, Nagaland's Dimapur Kohima line, covering 82.5 kilometers, has already seen its first section commissioned in 2021, with passenger services rolling out the following year, finally enabling visitors to take the train on their journey to Hornbill Festival. The new line is more than steel and concrete. For Mizoram, it means breaking free from isolation, and for travellers, it means discovering a region of breathtaking landscapes and rich culture.